OpenAI.
OpenAI.
Chat-GPT.
Chat-GPT.
It is blowing my mind.
Literally almost do anything for you.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Mac and today we're talking about the future of making money online in 2023 with OpenAI. OpenAI is one of the most advanced and well-known artificial intelligence companies in the world, and they are revolutionizing the way we do business and earn money online. In this video, we'll be discussing the top ways to make money with OpenAI in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. AI-powered chatbots. Chatbots are becoming increasingly popular in e-commerce, and OpenAI is leading the charge in this area. By using OpenAI's cutting-edge technology, businesses can easily set up chatbots that can provide 24/7 customer service, handle orders, and answer frequently asked questions. With chatbots, businesses can reduce the cost of customer service, improve the shopping experience, and increase revenue. Number 2. AI-powered content creation. OpenAI is also making it easier for businesses and individuals to create high-quality content, such as videos and images. With OpenAI's advanced algorithms, you can create engaging videos, infographics, and social media posts that help promote your products or services. Additionally, OpenAI can assist in creating digital art or animations, which can be sold online or used for freelance work in many freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer.com, etc. Number 3. Digital marketing. OpenAI can help businesses improve the effectiveness of their digital marketing campaigns by analyzing data, targeting specific demographics, and optimizing ad placement. For example, OpenAI can analyze data from previous campaigns to determine the best time to launch a new campaign, the target audience, and the best channels to reach that audience. This can help businesses save time and money by making their marketing campaigns more effective and efficient. Number 4. Investment advice. OpenAI can also help with stock trading and investment advice by analyzing market trends and making predictions. For example, OpenAI's algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to determine the best time to buy or sell a stock, helping investors make more informed decisions. OpenAI can help investors make better decisions by analyzing the performance of different portfolios, providing personalized investment recommendations, and helping to reduce the risk of losses. Number 5. Trading bots. OpenAI's trading bots can execute trades on your behalf, freeing up time and potentially increasing profits. For example, OpenAI's algorithms can analyze market trends and execute trades in real time, freeing up time for investors to focus on other aspects of their business or personal life. Additionally, OpenAI's algorithms can help traders identify opportunities for profit and make trades quickly and efficiently. Number 6. Language processing. OpenAI is also revolutionizing the way we use language with its cutting-edge language processing technology. For example, businesses can use OpenAI's technology to analyze customer reviews and feedback, extract insights and trends, and make data-driven decisions. Additionally, individuals can use OpenAI's technology to translate languages, automate text-based tasks, and generate new content. Last but not the least, Number 7. AI-powered customer service. OpenAI is also making it easier for businesses to provide high-quality customer service by using AI-powered virtual agents. For example, businesses can use OpenAI's technology to create virtual agents that can handle customer inquiries, resolve issues, and provide support. This can help businesses reduce the cost of customer service, improve the customer experience, and increase customer satisfaction. So that's it for today's video on how to make online money by OpenAI in 2023. We've covered a variety of ways in which you can use OpenAI to create new streams of income or improve your existing business. The future is bright when it comes to AI, and the possibilities are endless. Remember to stay informed and keep learning about the latest developments in this field to make the most of these opportunities. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. If you do not, it makes me feel very sad. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Now I will go on OpenAI and make more money than you.